Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make a single axle coaxial system. So first of all, we're gonna need a gearbox. Now this gearbox has a special type of axle connected with each propeller. There is a cogwheel that is connected with the blue propeller and another axle which has another cogwheel, and this connected with the red propeller is passing through this first axle. So now this special type of system allows both the propellers to rotate independently. Now let us observe other parts that we need to create the system except for this gearbox. First of all, we need this type of cogwheels, that is basically a big cogwheel on which a small cogwheel is pasted. We need 3 of such. So now let us put all 3 in the site. We also need the gearbox, and now most important part, we need 2 axles. Here you can see these 2 axles we need. Now we also need a simple normal cogwheel and a special type of cogwheel that has grooves in here. Now we need another special type of cogwheel that has grooves on the side. So it is basically this cogwheel only, but with an axle. So now let us make it. Okay, so first of all I will take the gearbox. Now I will insert both the axles into the grooves. This is a pretty easy task. Now I will insert this simple cogwheel into the middle groove like this. Now I will take one of these cogwheels and then insert them like this. Now I will take another of these cogwheels and then will insert them like this. Now you can see that these cogwheels have started to form a zigzag pattern. Now I will continue this zigzag pattern like this. Okay, so here you can see the zigzag pattern. Now is the most important part. What you can see here is the main part of the coaxial system, and this grooves will be attached on the edge of this cogwheel, and then these all will be glued to their axles. You can use a Fevikwik to do these, but be careful not to glue the cogwheels onto each other. So now we just need to put this axle over here and then test our coaxial mechanism. Okay, so now let us test it. So what will happen here is, when I will spin this gear, it will then spin this gear, which will in turn spin this gear, and this gear will then spin this gear, and as this whole axle will spin, that will ultimately spin this gear, that will then spin this gear. And here, as I told before, this gear spinning will cause this gear to spin. And the special thing about it is that these both gears will spin in opposite directions. So now let us try it. First of all, as it is without cover, we are trying it. Here you can see slight movement in the gears. They are moving really fast. They are moving, you can see. In middle there are smooth shifts also. Now let us again give it a try. Yes, the gears are spinning. Okay, so this is the final test. Here I will spin this cogwheel and see that do the gears spin or not. So let me try. Yes, the gears are spinning and they're also working pretty good. So I can say success achieved.